Hey there, study warriors! Studying can feel like climbing Mount Everest sometimes, right? But what if I told you ChatGPT can help you conquer that mountain? Today, I'm sharing 7 ChatGPT study hacks that will make you study faster, smarter, and way more efficiently. Let's dive in. Hack 1. Customized study plans. Imagine having a study plan tailored just for you. Ask ChatGPT to design a personalized study schedule with clear objectives and timelines. No more random cramming. Your study sessions will be structured and focused. Hack 2. Concept breakdown. Struggling with those complex topics? Get ChatGPT to break it down into digestible pieces. For example, it can simplify quantum mechanics like explaining it to a 10-year-old. Easy peasy, right? Hack 3. Interactive quizzes and flashcards. Reinforce your learning with AI-generated quizzes and flashcards. For instance, it can create a quiz asking, "What's the powerhouse of the cell?" with options to choose from. This makes remembering key facts a breeze. Hack 4. Resource aggregator. Say goodbye to endless Googling. ChatGPT can compile must-read articles, must-watch videos, and essential research papers on any topic. You get the best resources in one place. Hack 5. Exam preparation simulator practice like it's the real exam. ChatGPT can simulate exam scenarios with practice questions and model answers. No more surprises on test day. Hack 6. Progress tracker. Keep tabs on your learning progress with periodic tests and feedback from ChatGPT. Know your strengths and areas that need improvement instantly. Hack 7. Ultimate study machine blueprint. Combine all these strategies into one powerful study system. ChatGPT can create a master plan that includes custom study schedules, simplified concepts, quizzes, resource lists, exam simulations, and progress tracking. This is the ultimate AI study system. No more late-night cramming or boring textbooks. AI is the future of studying. Which ChatGPT hack will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more game-changing study hacks. Catch you in the next video.